women in general have got a better position in our society also, and in our films, in the work that we try doing. And I think it's the hard work of all of us women who has made this possible. And I wouldn't underestimate the men either. They've been quite sweet and kind, so
Quite
it's
sweet.
okay. But they had no choice. I'm so sorry to say that, because women are more powerful. I don't, I mean, I'm not trying to say that men aren't. But I still insist that we have made a better impact. We have done a lot of work towards bettering ourselves. And that, I think, is a big challenge for us, because we came from a place where nobody was really helping us up. And so we've all worked towards helping each other. And I think Grah Shobha is one of the, if you're saying it's a women-oriented magazine, which was, I remember, it actually came to my mind that the first time I heard about it was my mother-in-law, Mrs. Kumud Kapoor. She used to read Grah Shobha. And she was from Ludhiana, a small town. So Grah Shobha was her go-to. She used to go for everything to Grah Shobha magazine, and which is what I feel she learned so much from there. And therefore, she could utilize it in her life and become better, read the stories there, and she was, kind of tell Pankaj those stories. So it was a lot more to her than just a magazine. And that's how slowly, she must have bettered herself, and like that, all of us did. So we kind of came up from there, and therefore, I think women are, it's a very changing society, and I think we are getting very powerful. So, but first I want to also thank people, yeah. Thank you very much for giving me this award. And I don't know, I feel I have a lot more work to do, and I'm not doing enough after seeing the 2 awards that were given before me, 3. I feel I've done really nothing. I mean, they're doing fabulous work. The snakes in the compost, that's fabulous. That's great work which we are doing. I'm just entertaining. So I feel that I should make a better impact in life now.
No,
So,
but I'm not letting you go yet, though.
Oh, no.
Firstly, I think we should just get like everyone in the room to concede that women are powerful, extremely
Yes.
powerful,
Yeah.
very powerful. Like,
Yeah.
here's to being powerful women. We are them. We've raised them. We support them, right?
yes, absolutely.
But also, I wanted to ask you, which of your roles is the most significant to you personally? Was there ever like an art imitates life moment for you as a performer? And also, since we do have you here, what do you think everyone in the room ought to watch, whether your own or another woman's work?
First, I'll answer that. Well, my work. I mean, I really enjoyed doing work. So for me, my daughter is here, and I really love her, and she's an actress herself. So we all talk about the same thing, that because we are so passionate about the work that we do, and I keep telling her, and she keeps telling me, that it's the passion which is going to drive us. And I think that's what women are all about. We are passionate people. So whatever work I've done till now, I've really enjoyed my work. I think that is a very big thing in life, that you enjoy whatever you are doing. And even if it's just being at home, I really enjoy being at home, doing nothing, lying on a bed. I'm really happy with that. So it's like, but I do enjoy that moment, So I think that's what life is all about. And that's, I think, what I've been taught and what I've learned is you can only do good work if you enjoy it. Secondly, what did you ask me?
I said, do you have any recommendations for us in terms of either something that you've started or something that another woman has
I think what you
created
should watch is something which gives us hope. I've always believed in working in things which give you hope at the end of the day. There is lots of problems, there are lots of issues, there are lots of things in this world which can really bring you down. And they do. When you watch a very serious and a very dramatic film or a show or anything, or theater or anything, it does make you think a lot and bring you down. But eventually, if that thing is giving you hope, you are really looking forward to something, which is because you have to live on, so you can't really say, okay, it's a dead on. So what I feel that you should watch, everybody should watch, definitely. I mean, that's entertainment, I think, is a very, very big part of our lives. And it really gives you, kind of push to do work. If you're not in the entertainment business, it still gives you a push to do other stuff. And the confidence of seeing that, I'm sorry, I'm taking too much time, but there was this little incident that happened in my life which really was kind of inspired me to do more work. And that was that I was very young at those days, and I'd done a show called Zindagi. I don't know anybody's seeing it or not. Yeah, so it's about the young girl who's struggling and all that. So I was sitting on the Calcutta airport, and two young girls came up to me out of the blue and said, ma'am, can we talk to you? No, at that time they said, can we talk to you? I said, yes. And they were as my age, really. So I thought it's going to be just one of the, we like you kind of thing. They didn't say anything about that. They just said, we saw Zindagi and we're inspired by it so much that we think if you can do it, we can do it. I really was just taken aback. I said, man, if I've made a difference in one person's life, I've done it. And that, I think, is what cinema and television and shows and now OTT and so much of entertainment really can give us, is an inspiration to do what that character did. And therefore, we should watch something which kind of makes us feel good at the end of the day. And after the film gets over, you have to have the hope. That's what I feel.
Thank you so much. Thank you for your grace and your authenticity and your brilliance.
Thank
Supriya
you.
Pathak, ladies and gentlemen.
Thank you so much. Thank you for having me here. And thank you to everybody, my family and everybody, to just bear with me. That's all I'd say. Okay, thank you.
It's so lovely that your daughters here, mothers and daughters, have such a special bond, and it's wonderful to witness. Amen. Let's give her a mic. Let's give her a mic.
No. I hope anybody can hear me. Am I that bad? Oh no. I'm an actor, man. I don't need a mic. Anyway, what I basically am trying to say is, guys, I'm sorry, I'm not taking anything away from you. You are great. You are very nice. We need you. But it's really superb to have a daughter. And, right? Look how many of them are agreeing to it. So, daughters are what mothers require, I feel. It's a necessity. So that's it. I don't know whether fathers require them, but mothers require them definitely. Thank you so much for having me here.
Thank you so much.